Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. You can support the channel by becoming a member using the join button. In this video, we'll solve a linear relation word problem. As per the problem, you rent a bicycle for $20 plus $2 per hour. In part 1, we have to write an equation in slope-intercept form to model this situation. Let's start with number 1. As per the problem, there are two types of costs associated with renting the bicycle. One is the $20, which is a fixed cost, and the other one is $2 per hour, which is a variable cost. The more hours we rent the bike for, the more we have to pay. But the $20 cost is a fixed cost. We have to write an equation to model this situation, so we need to use variables. The first step is to define variables we want to use to write the equation. We can use variable t for number of hours for which the bike is rented. We can use variable c for total cost of renting the bike. The total cost includes the fixed cost and the variable cost. We have to write the equation in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is also called slope-y-intercept form. The general equation of a line in slope-y-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. In this equation, m represents the slope of the line and b represents the y-intercept or initial value. We should write this equation in terms of the variables c and t. Among the variables c and t, t is the independent variable and c is the dependent variable. Because total cost of renting the bike depends on the number of hours for which the bike is rented. This is an important concept we need to understand and memorize. So we can write the equation in slope y-intercept form using the variables c and t as c equals mt plus b. Variable c corresponds to variable y and variable t corresponds to variable x. Now we should input the values of m and b in this equation. B represents the y-intercept or the initial value. So the value of B is equal to 20 because that's the upfront cost or the fixed cost of renting the bike. So B is equal to 20. The value of M is equal to 2 because that's the variable cost or the cost per hour for renting the bike. This is an important concept we need to understand and memorize. Now we can use these values in the equation. So C equals 2t plus 20. This is the equation in slope y-intercept form to model this situation. Now we can answer part 2. What is the total cost of renting the bike for 5 hours? We have to find the value of C for t equals 5 hours. We should sub in t as 5 in the equation we got in part 1 to find the value of C. 2 times 5 is 10. C is equal to 30 and the unit is dollars. So the total cost for renting the bike for 5 hours is $30. This includes the fixed cost, the upfront cost which is $20 and the variable cost at the rate of $2 per hour. This should be the final answer for part 2. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.